Okay, uh, today we're going to try a new program. We'll just copy this. Certificate. C7 code on the Okay, types. Now there's a structure for copying some features of MAKT, and then we have variables that we have actually created, which is an internal table. Okay, and we have a work area. And the internal table is a standard table of the structure that we have defined over here. Then we have parameters, and then we have select matness cross MAKT from MAKT to table IT MAKT, internal table. Okay, and where we actually are getting data from MAKT and pulling it into internal table where matness equals p matness cross equals system language. Then we create a loop at IT MAKT on the table, because if we actually write a select statement within a loop, it actually is accessing database. So the loop can go for a longer period of time because it's accessing the database. The times can get extended, the processing time can get longer. So we are introducing a loop, running a loop on internal table and loading what internal table has into work area. Okay. And we are writing the output, material number and description, end loop. Okay. Check, activate. Direct processing. Partner LAP9FG, execute, and we have the material number and the description MAKTX. Let's try with another Alto 423. Okay. Okay, test one finished. Okay. Next part is, in this program, we have to get info about plant where this material is being used. So mark table will give the plant info, and works field will give the plant number. Okay, so we will introduce this code. Okay, and types will be introduced over here. We have TY MAKT already. We don't need this. Matness Pras MAKTX. Matness Pras MAKTX. It's already here. TY mark and T006A as well. Then we have parameters, MATNER, data IT MAKT, TY MAKT, IT MAKT. Okay, type standard table of TY mark. Just type, and it will be copying these two fields. Okay. Okay. This is material description data table, and this is plant details table. Okay. Select Matness Pras Mactex. Okay, then shall select Matness Pras Mactex. I'm getting table ID. My matter is equal to matter is this. This is the same. Select matter works from mark into table IT mark where matter is equal to P Matner. Now we just have to give some more details, and those details will be loop and loop. Loop at IT mark into work area of the mark. Read table ID mark into WMAC with key matna is equal to matna. Okay, let's understand this first. Loop at the plant internal table into work area of the internal table of the plant. Read table. Now we are reading table. First we were just writing it. Now we are reading table. First we selected, activated all, then we are reading it. The internal table into work area. So we are offloading internal table into work area with key. Now key basically is the keyword here. What does that mean? We actually, because this is type standard table of MARC. So Matner is part of MAKT, Matner. So Matner, when it equalizes with material number, because in mark we have material number. So this is the key point. So we are basically comparing it and equalizing it. And when it actually matches it, it will write material number from plant table, material description from material table, and plant details from plant table. As simple as that. Okay. Okay. So we have this plant. And if we don't write anything, it's not writing anything here. This is the plant. This is the plant. Okay. We can give spaces as well. Okay. Next is, this is the end of the lecture. Now, this is your assignment. We will be using, assignment is that you'll use internal table of mark. You will first make a structure of mark where you will pull material and plant. Then we have MAKT, material description. Okay, now this is the material. Okay. And this is the plant. Material, plant, material, and this description. And we'll use the third table, which is T001W for plant and description. Okay, plant and description. Okay, let me just, should be here. Yeah. Okay, plant and description. This is what you have to pull. Material description, plant name. This is how it should actually show up. This is your assignment. Okay.